Hello coders, welcome back to our channel. Last video we covered HTML basic structure. In this video we will try to understand HTML element and attribute. First of all, we will create a new folder like the previous video. So that we create folder and name it part 2. Then we create a file index.html. Yeah, done. Then we create the structure for creating HTML5 standards. So let's add some content so that we can describe it accurately. So h1, this is part 3, sorry 2. Then Control S, save. Okay, let me see it's working or not. So let's run this. Okay. Yeah, or this is the h1 and this is the paragraph. Okay. Before we dive into the specific, first understand what HTML elements are. We know HTML is the backbone of web design. It uses elements to structure content on a web page and define its purpose. The most crucial HTML element is the HTML tag, which acts as the root of an HTML document. We also say that the HTML element is everything from the start tag to end tag. Okay, let me explain it. In here, h1 is the opening tag and slash h1 is the closing tag. So, and in the middle section, this is the content. So we say that the full of this is element. In the p tag, the p opening tag is the opening tag and the last one slash p is the closing tag, and this is the content. So this is another element. So this is a single element. We also use nested element like this. Body is the root, and it has two elements, h1 and p. So we also say that this HTML is the root and our parent tag, and it has two child tag. That means two child element, and inside the head element also some element. So this is called nested element. One more thing, HTML is not a case sensitive language. I mean, if I write p, then this is not case sensitive. Let me run this. Okay, Control S and open the browser. Yeah, this is a paragraph and this is also a paragraph. We use here small p, and in here we use capital P. So this is not different, both are same. Hope you understand the HTML elements. Now we will describe HTML attribute. HTML attribute provides additional information about HTML element. Like HTML is a element, and in here lang is the attribute. So here is two part. Lang is the attribute name and then en is the attribute value. So let's see another example for image. I will tell you later how image works, but for now image has two attributes. We also add some additional attribute like height. Also we can add width. So source, alter, height and width. This is also called attribute. So hope you understand the attribute. Basically attribute is provide additional information about HTML element, like image is an element, and source, alter, height, width provide additional information. That means what will be the height, what will be the width. It's a additional information of the image. In later video we will discuss how to image work. Thank you for joining me on the HTML element and attribute exploration journey. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting web development content. Until next time, happy coding.